Hi and welcome back. This is Dave Gardner again with my GVO Conference-team.com, and I want to show you about the show feature. Now if you notice, when I click that show, the start show button popped on the bottom. So voila, here I am. Alright, now there is a button down here that says activate full screen mode. Right now you're just looking at a small screen, and I can see all my other rooms here. I can see my members, my rooms, I can see the chat function. But what the viewer will see is just the actual large screen of me. I'll be blown up. So that's one function that you can kind of go back and forth with. If you want to deactivate it, you can go the other way around. You know, you can make it bigger, make it smaller, so on and so forth. But what I'm physically viewing and what you'll see is the small, screen, so you can actually see everything else, all the functionality, where the viewer will actually be seeing the full screen. Now, some of the other capabilities here, as far as the show go, excuse me, I can stop the show or my show portion, and I can actually get into some of the other features, which we saw in the previous video, which actually showed. So for example, it just took a couple seconds here. So for example, if you saw, I'll kind of do that again quickly, and I'll stop it right now. Notice there is a timer down here. Okay, so you will have a couple seconds, 6, 5, 4, okay, so on and so forth, and then the access to the the YouTube videos will actually show up. So this is from the previous video where we had access to the videos right off your hard drive and off of YouTube. So that is the show function of GVO Conference. Other thing I want to throw in here is the desktop sharing. Okay, desktop sharing basically gives you the ability to start sharing. If I'm going to click it, you're going to see everything that's on my desktop, where before you might only see certain functions, but otherwise now you're going to be able to see everything. Another option with the sharing too is this little button right here, where you have three things connected to each other. This is where you're actually going to be able to share files. So for example, I uploaded a file which is actually the same video that I had shown you previously. Notice here we have send file. I can send it to someone, you can download it, or I can actually delete it. So what would happen is I would actually upload this video, and it would be closed, and then I would let you know and make you aware of the button over here where you could then go and click on it yourself, and where it says download, you could download it, and this screen would pop up on your own computer, and I could actually share a file with you, whether it's a document, whether it's a a site map, some other type of material that's going to benefit you and your business, or maybe give you some background information on this one. So again, it's a great little tool, and that's called the desktop sharing. So that was both the show and the desktop sharing. So again, thanks for watching, and keep looking at the other videos. When you're done, if you see down here, there's the function that I'm actually using. I'm going to go stop the recording.